Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's a joy to me coming to you every time on this day on this channel. It is great to be alive and to be part of this program. Let me first of all welcome those of you who are here for the first time and also say kudos to those who have been always on this program. And we are all happy that we have been able to have consistent programs throughout the year. And today being the last day that we're meeting until we meet again in the next year, I just want to say, well done. Today's program is not going to be like, the usual. I just want to show appreciation to you. I want to acknowledge your efforts. I want you to know how happy and how, grateful we are for having you, because without you, this program wouldn't be the success that it is. It is very, very important for us to always show appreciation. Find a few people, if you cannot get all, to show appreciation to for what they've done, for how they have been helpful in your life, and let them know how grateful you are. What else can you do on the last day of a good thing? Like today is the last day of the year and it's the last day of our program. What else can we say than to say thank you? Thank you. The two most important words. Thank you. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And on behalf of everyone who makes this program possible, we say a big thank you to you. Our aim has been to encourage you, to stir you up so that you can do much more than you are doing, because we believe no one reaches the height that there is no room for improvement anymore. So anytime you get to one level, you need to know then you have to explore where the next level is. I am so grateful that we have been consistent, and every Tuesday we do come to you with this program. Sometimes it has come to you, out of inconvenience because you may be on the road traveling somewhere or having some other, calls, but we do our best to accommodate and to make sure that you get this. So it's very, very, wonderful. On a last day like this, what else can you do? You have to look at what your end goal is, which we have been talking about throughout this month, and make sure you tie the pieces and get yourself ready for the new thing that is coming. I want you to be in a very positive, mode. Sometimes when you are at the end of a race, it looks like maybe you don't have any energy. There are some also who regain energy because of the fact that they are at the end of the race and they see there's no more chance. Now, let me put my everything in there. And if you can compare it to like a sport event, when the runners are running, there are fans in the stands who are screaming, maybe yelling their names and cheering them up onto victory. And sometimes the energies that they do not have, they get it because of the support that they get from the crowd. So I want you to be that support for somebody today. Encourage someone not to give up, even if it's 2 minutes till we get into the next day. Let somebody receive a positive vibe from you today. End well and end on a strong note. I wish all of you success. I wish you the very best as you count down to 2025. In 2025, we are going to have special times together and touch on things that will help us. I believe 2025 has new things for us. So let us be expectant of the unprecedented. Let us be expectant of doing things in a better way, doing things in bigger ways. And I want to once again say thank you. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your constructive criticisms. Thank you for everything that you do in order to keep this program going. We love you and we wish you the best for the new year. And our prayer is that everything that you have set your heart to do, that you are able to achieve it. May you set goals that are achievable. May you set goals that are realistic. May you set goals that you have enough time to fulfill. And may you set goals that will make you a happy person. But remember to cheer somebody up, not to give up. Happy New Year. And from today's family crew, I want you to know we wish you the very best. See you next year in a week's time. Have a wonderful day. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. Till we see you again. Bye-bye.